My garden's getting in a bit of a state. Got a good crop of rhubarb there. It's about the only thing I can grow in this garden now, as well as potatoes for the rabbits. Used to grow a lot of vegetables and all these plots here. I'm trying to dig it over. Got one little square down there. I'll start on the next one. Used to grow strawberries down here till the rabbits came in and never left a leaf on the plant. It's because at the back of us we've got a lot of trees and there's a railway line runs along the back. And then there was a lot of fields, but they've started building houses there, and that's how I think the rabbits are coming in. They've lost their homes and they're coming down to where we are now. So they eat everything in sight, doesn't matter what I plant. Peas, carrots. Used to grow stuff here, but it got a bit too much. I mean, because of my age, I'll be 74 in a couple of weeks, so we paved this over. Me and my husband, when he was still alive, we paved this over and made it into a patio. So I'm trying to tidy it up because of the warm weather started. And you know, when it starts to get warm, the stuff grows like something not right. And I usually get a lot of help from my family, my granddaughter and her partner and their children. As little as they are, they do come in and help a little bit. But because of the trouble with the coronavirus now, the lockdown, they can't come and help us anymore. And we don't know how long this is going to go on, but I'm going to have to do what I can and get rid of any rubbish. Like that's an old coat frame there that's not good anymore, it's dropped to bits. So I'll have to chop that up and get rid of it and see what else I can do to tidy up the garden. And my patio needs a lot of weeds taken out between the paving things, so that's an easy job, is just pulling them out. I'll probably get some weed killer and do them. My hedge is starting to grow, so that's going to need cutting. And my granddaughter's partner came and cut the grass just before the lockdown started, so it's starting to grow again. I'm going to have to cut that. But I think I'm going to pull some rhubarb up, do a nice crumble with some of it, get some for Cheryl, my granddaughter, give her some. I'll probably have to call at her house with the kids as Easter eggs and just knock at her door and leave them on the doorstep and run back to my car. I'll be glad when this carry-on's over and done with. Well, that's my bit of exercise for the day. It's a little bit like hard work because it's the first time I've been out doing anything in the garden this year, like especially digging it. Took us about an hour altogether to do it, so quite a good bit of exercise. That's my exercise for today. So if you liked what you saw, please give it a like and subscribe.